wash your hand. Hey guys, so I'm gonna challenge the Jiro in Japan. So he's producing a one-hand monster right now. Is just making an amazing painting on his hand. So I wanna challenge his idea, but I don't wanna take a long time because I'm lazy. So let's start making it. This is a material and the tools, so I'm ready to make it. Let me explain about the tools and the materials. So I prepared this is eyeballs. This is eyeball is pretty high quality, comes from the Fourth Seal Studio. I'm always using this studio, and this is good quality and cheap. I think two set. I think $80 or $90. So some people is thinking about, wow, expensive, but it's not expensive because I know how hard to make it. So it takes a longer time for me to make it. So if I got it from that studio and faster and cheaper. Eyelashes, 3rd degrees. This is a silicone. Making a wound or a scar very easy. This is come from the Japanese company, and we call it, I think, a pico or Copic. So what? A Copic. Here. Copic. This is pretty good for you guys to paint the silicone skin, clown nose, also some bandages, and small one and medium size. And that's all I have right now, and let's make it. Let's start. So I'm gonna using 3rd degree and just mixing 1:1 and take it, and don't using the same spatula to another bottle because it's gonna be the setup. So you have to clean up well or using another spatula and take it out. And start making eyelids. It will take 5 minutes to set up, and it's depend on the temperature. So if the temperature is so hot, it's kicking so fast, and the temperature is lower, it's kicking slow. And using alcohol and dipping the fingers and touching silicone and make it smooth. And making a nice line here like this. I found out this fabric and accidentally, so I think it's cool. And it's gonna be the cool looking with this eyeball, so I wanna use this one. Copic and the brown and the red and the black, and then using a airbrush and then painted this eyes to make more realistic. Okay, this brown one, shake well. And alcohol. I like this Iwata TH1 airbrush because spatter like this one. Just adding the shadow. And I'm gonna using alcohol and the Q-tips and clean up the inside of the eyeball. I mean this eyeball, because I did a paint on that one. I'm gonna using a terraces, so yeah, because I'm makeup special effect makeup artist, it's very expensive, but you can use the Prozade and or just Irish glue, so you can get it the beauty makeup store. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Rabbit. Painting black around this area. Paint it, make it more realistic. Basically, so painting here. Mabataki, wink. Hi, 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 hi. one hand monster already. Okay, so now it looks like this one. I'm gonna fill out these gaps. So I wanna take this middle finger. I'm gonna start painting around the finger. I got the bandages, and I wanna hide this palm and the hand stuff. Using this one and put it on. Nose is here. Then the other one, put it on this fabric and looks like a Sesame Street dog. Quack. Stay home. Stay home.